And today again, welcome back to another video. Today again, we will talk about certain facts and I will show you how to make money on Fiverr without having any specialized skills. So I know that the post-pandemic era and still in some places it's getting quite serious. Jobs are being difficult to get. It's very important that we have certain set of skills which will help us. So right now, what we will see is that how to make money on Fiverr without having any particular special set of skills. All right, that's what we're going to see. So I want to say I'm not a financial advisor, but an educational advisor. But if you follow all these steps with hard work and heart and soul, I'm sure you will be able to generate very good income. Let's see. Let's go to Fiverr. So the first thing that we can write is that let us see, explore. Popular. These things are popular on Fiverr. So as you see, website designs are extremely popular on Fiverr. So if you want to learn a skill, you can learn this design. You can learn the design of designing a website. All right, you can start and do that. So this is a very extremely popular choice right now on Fiverr. But let me go somewhere else. Let me go over here. Lifestyle. In lifestyle, what we're able to see, wellness. There are little such as wellness and lifestyle, life coaching. Okay. So this is something you can do. I mean, if you're a person who has experience about lives, relationships, and everything, all like that, if you have been through lots of ups and downs, you can be a life or a relationship coach for this person. You can be a life coach or you can be a relationship coach for this particular person. All right, you can create, for example, this gig. I will be your life coach, relationship coach, and business coach. But you can just say, I will be your life coach and relationship coach and help help you get a positive impact on your business life as well or your on your work life as well, or or I will create a great dynamic between your work life, your love life, and your relationship. So in the modern times people often have some problems with their relationships, and also if you are a person who has a good idea about these things, who knows how to handle these things, who knows how to tackle or take care of these things, then you can easily become a life or relationship or a business coach. So see, at this person charges $50 for 30 minutes and gives advice on relationships, dating, getting clarity, making decisions, replacing negative patterns, dealing with difficult people, finding inner peace, and everything. So you can basically be somebody's life coach on relationships and life, give them vital information or vital coaching that will help them move ahead in life. So for something like this, you definitely don't need that much, technological knowledge, or you don't need to know how to build a website, or you don't need to know these things. You can easily do it. You can do it very, very easily. You can do these things. Okay. So you can do these things with quite an ease. You can do these things very, very easily. So this is one of the gigs which I say you can, if you don't have any skills right now, you can go up to Fiverr and you can become a relationship coach, a life coach, or a dating coach, and you can give advice on people's love lives. Okay, here we go. Tinder profile. So we know most of the people have used Tinder right now in one time of their life or the other. And a lot of people are in the dating scene and they want to date, they want to be attractive, they want to be seen. So what you can do is if you have knowledge about women, if you have knowledge about relationships, so you can open a gig on Fiverr which says I will be your Tinder host, boosting your dating profile and everything. Okay. So you can help people get a better dating profile and get more matches and help them. And I will write the best dating profile of Tinder bio. So as you can do is you can write a Tinder bio, like $85. You can write a great profile for them. You can write them a Tinder bio. You can write them a great attractive dating profile by just using your imagination. And in this case, it will cost you $0 or zero technological knowledge. You can start from scratch and then, just go ahead and do this gig. As we see here, I specialize in high quality marketing projects designed to get you results. Whatever you want, the dating profile, the revamp Etsy shop, creative campaign, everything. But you can just do a Tinder or a dating profile. Okay. Again, we go here. So this is something else you can do, you know. This is very funny. So this guy is very funny. Okay. I will wish happy birthday and say anything with buffaloes. This is very funny. He's standing with some buffaloes and he will wish you happy birthday. So this is what you can do. I mean, you can say that you're gonna sing a crazy song and wish somebody happy birthday, we wish somebody promote their business or do anything. For example, this guy, I will say anything you want. I will sing happy birthday with camels. This is more fun. I will say anything as an officer. So this is something very interesting. You can go to a very nice place. If you're in London, go to London Bridge. If you're in United States, go to New York Square. Go to these places, and then from there you can say that you will make a video based on on New York Square. Wishing them with some crazy dance move, wishing them happy birthday. So this is a gig that you can do without any technological knowledge. You can start doing this right now. All right. So you can do this, easily. And there's another gig which you can do if you can mimic any celebrity. So there you go. I will record a celebrity or character impression voiceover. So if you can mimic a certain celebrity, for example, you can mimic Nick Cage or you can mimic anybody, Brad Pitt. You can do a voiceover, you can wish a greeting with their voice. Wish somebody happy birthday, wish them a good business, wish them anything like that. As long as you can do a celebrity voiceover very easily. So very easily by doing a celebrity voiceover, you'll be able to mimic somebody else's, voice and then do this gig very easily. What else can you do? Let's see. This is something really new. For example, this person has almost over $1,000 by providing good cooking lessons. If you are good with cooking, if you know how to make nutritious, high protein, low fat food, you can create a gig where you say, I will give you 50 videos. For example, this person is saying, I will give you 50 keto video recipes for your blog or social media. So nowadays, cooking is quite, important. It's quite in demand. So if you know cooking, you can post videos of you cooking very easily on these social media platforms, and you will get a strong following. People will buy these from you. They will buy cooking videos from you very easily. See, I will create cooking video recipe like tasty TikTok food. But this is something very important, you know. TikTok is quite a, you know, I will create a cooking video recipe like tasty BuzzFeed food. So you can create cooking videos, you know, like viral TikTok videos or viral BuzzFeed videos, and people will buy them. This is also a gig you can do from home, you know, if you basically don't have any technological skill. If you don't have any technological skills, you can do this. Anybody can cook. If you can cook some good food, make a nice video of it, and you know, there are people who will buy it from you. This is an extraordinary new gig, and no people will talk to you about this kind of gig. You know, people will not tell you about these. I'm sure I can guarantee you they won't talk to you about these things. These are gigs anybody can do. You can start cooking today. You can start posting about your services tomorrow. Then again, let's go to lifestyle, your method. So this is you can do. For example, this one. I will say anything on your message with Sahara Desert Press. This is very funny. So basically, this guy owns an advertising panel. You can hire an advertisement panel or buy an or rent an advertising panel. Then you can promote your services via pricing. It will show your logo or image in the advertisement panel video. So you can busy mall. So in this mall, he will show the guy's advertisement panel or video. I will say anything or message you as a Sahara gangster. So this is very funny. This guy has also made money. So this guy will do or say anything with a Sahara gangster. You can also dress up like also female dress up as Nick Cage with that kind of attitude, you know, and then you can promote somebody's business or you can promote somebody's business or reach them a message. I will place what you want under the Christmas tree at Rock Center. This is also a very unique gig. You can do a gig where you will go to the Rock Center and talk to people about this particular person's business, or you know, or just advertise, do an advertisement for them. And then the Christmas tree at Rock Center, you know, go to Rock Center and do their advertisement, take their signboard and do an advertisement for them or something. This is something also very interesting. This is something you can easily do. Do an advertisement for them, and there you will go. There, you know, there you'll be able to be a good, you know, you'll be very good advertisement. You can go there and you can, you know, advertise for them at New York Square or Rock Center or wherever you want very easily. This is also very funny. You can do very funny things. You know, I will deliver an exclusive message as a boatman. You can dress up like a boatman, and then you know you can get on a boat, a plastic boat, and deliver a funny message. It might be a birthday message, it might be a business message, it might be anything. So for these gigs, you don't need any specialized skill. You can easily do them. You can easily do. Anybody can easily do them. You know, if they have certain skills, if they know how to, you know, how to act funny or how to spread a message, or how to do this or that, or how to make it interesting. Somebody knows they can easily spread a message about these facts, and then they can, you know, get it done. And there you go. What other things are there that you can do? Let's say writing and translation. Okay, so there it goes. So there's one more thing. If you're a girl, there is something you can do. You can do a female voiceover. Okay, so you know, I will record natural, articulate, professional female voiceover. Natural, articulate, professional female voiceover. So if you don't have any, any technological knowledge or any, knowledge of software coding or anything like that, you can just simply do a very nice voiceover. You can practice for a week how to do a voiceover, and then you can, for example, this person has made more than $30,000 by doing I will record natural, articulate, professional female voiceover. So she has made more than $30,000. Let's see her gig. She has a lot of clients. Let me help you succeed in your project, helping large and small businesses to startups in explainer videos, television. So what you can do is you can give your voiceover in large or small businesses in explainer videos and give your voiceover, and through that you can tell them how to, you can explain their business or their videos to people in a nice way. So for this gig, all you need is the power of good explanation. You don't need anything else. Okay. So now we saw a number of gigs anybody can do. And later on, we're going to see more gigs that anybody can do. In the next part, we'll see more new and unique gigs. So till then, take care and take action.